What is a clear airway apnea? If you've been tracking your sleep patterns and stumbled upon the term clear airway apnea, you might be wondering what it means and why it's important. Let's break it down. Clear airway apnea is essentially another name for central sleep apnea, but it's described in a slightly different way. Here's what you need to know. During a clear airway apnea event, there is no breathing, but the airway remains open. This is different from obstructive sleep apnea, where the airway is blocked. Imagine your airway as a pathway for air to flow in and out of your lungs. In central sleep apnea or clear airway apnea, this pathway is not blocked, but for some reason your brain doesn't send the proper signals to the muscles that control breathing. This results in periods where you stop breathing, even though your airway is clear. These events are often identified by CPAP machines, which are used to treat sleep apnea. If your CPAP machine detects that you're not breathing for 10 seconds or more, even though your airway is open, it will flag this as a clear airway apnea event. The goal in managing sleep apnea is to keep the total number of apnea events, including clear airway apneas, under 5 per hour. If you have a high number of these events, it could indicate that your treatment needs adjustment. For example, using too much pressure on your CPAP machine or using certain features like expiratory pressure relief (EPR) can sometimes increase central or clear airway apneas. There's also a condition called treatment-emergent central apnea, where central apneas appear after starting CPAP treatment, even if they weren't present before. In many cases, this type of apnea goes away after 6 to 8 weeks of treatment. So if you're seeing clear airway apnea events in your sleep data, it's a good idea to discuss these results with your sleep doctor. They can help adjust your treatment plan to minimize these events and ensure you're getting the best possible sleep.